The intended audience of my PSA is anyone on the road. It doesn't specifically speak to either bikers or car drivers, but it can easily be understood by both. Car drivers see this and think more about looking both ways, watching their blind spots, and being more careful in pulling out into traffic. Bikers see it and remember that car drivers aren't always 100% sure of their surroundings, and that they need to watch out for themselves. The overall message of this PSA is about promoting road safety for all drivers, regardless of the type of vehicle. I chose this PSA because I have a lot of bikers in my family. Some have been in horrible accidents caused by drivers not paying attention. Riding a motorcycle can be dangerous, but if people are more careful and aware, hopefully more tragic accidents can be avoided. I believe the design helps communicate my message in a few ways. First of all, I decided to use red text not only because it stands out best from the background, but because the color red is commonly associated with danger or violence. In order to stress the seriousness of the topic, the image I used is very intense. It shows a biker being thrown up onto the windshield of a car, and looks like it was a very hard impact. The intent of my design was to be a scare tactic, and to make drivers see it and be afraid of that happening to them, then translating that fear into being more cautious on the road. To be honest, the design process for me was a bit of a struggle. I'm not tech savvy or artsy by any means, and I spent way longer than I should have trying to figure out how to make this on my computer. What I finally ended up doing was downloading a photo editing app on my smartphone, and it ended up making this PSA an easy process. The app is called PixArt and it is available on the Apple App Store. I'd highly recommend it to anybody who also struggles with these kinds of assignments. Overall, I hope that this PSA would be effective at encouraging all motorists to be more cautious and potentially save lives by looking. Thank you for listening.